Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And this part is a spindle, and this part is a spindle design, and all 2D drafting is also available here. And how to this part is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this body is a valve design project. Okay, this is a valve project design, and valve design project is very important, and all is a assemble here. And this part is a this spindle, and this spindle is very useful, and this lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner, a student. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this body is looking perfect, and this is a spindle. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part is this, and some important setting is a very important, and plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this dimension is a this is a perfect, and this 2D drafting is perfect, and this full length is a 87 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 8 millimeter, but some increase and decrease also. This is a 11, and 11 millimeter is also perfect, but this is a 8 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter. This length is radius is 5 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this distance is 1.4 millimeter, and this center line to this distance is 4 millimeter, and this upper length is this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. Okay, and this plane is used here. This is a front plane is better. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a center line because this is a reference line. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, and this dimension is a use here 87 millimeter. Okay, and select a line, and the line is a drawing a geometry. Then this drawing here this and this. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing here, and also this. Okay, and drawing this this distance to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is also drawing this. Okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this line is this. okay, and drawing this and this. Okay, and connect to this 3-point arc, and this, okay, this length is also this drawing here, and connect to 3-point arc, connect to this point, this to connect to this. Okay, and this okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. This distance is a 3 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 3 mm, and this is a 8 mm. This distance is a 8 mm, but 11 mm is also better. Okay, and this is a 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 5 mm. Okay, and this is a 7 mm, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and select this line and this line. 3 line is a connect. This is a collinear. Okay, okay, some, okay, okay, this is a 5 mm, and this line and this line to, okay, this line and this line, press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, and this is a 7 mm, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, and this use, okay, okay, this is a 4 mm. Okay, okay, this is a 4 mm, and select this and going to this. Okay, this use a 5 mm is this, 7 mm is this, and 4 mm is this. Okay, and this radius is a 12 mm, and this radius is a 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is a, okay, this distance is a 13 mm, and this is a 7 mm, and this point distance is a 7 mm. Okay, and again select this distance is a 13 mm. Okay, okay, this is better. Okay, and this line and this line is a relation is a equal. Okay, and some use a, this distance is a 3 mm. Okay, this distance is a 3 mm. Okay, this distance is a 3 mm is perfect, and this is 7 mm is correct, and this is a, this point to this. Okay, and again select this point, Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this use a 7 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a 1.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, so 1.4 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 3, and this use a 7 millimeter is this to this. Okay. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 7 millimeter, and okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 some missing point is a okay, all is perfect and correct, no missing point, all is correct and perfect, and going to this feature and revolve boss base, and okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this is the important point is a this use a chamfer is used at 1 millimeter 45 degree angle and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle is perfect, and going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter 45 degree angle this. Okay, and again select a chamfer a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle and select a this to this, click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a use here this is drawing here extrude cut is a 6 millimeter, and also 7 millimeter is perfect, but 6 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a 3-point corner rectangle, and select this to this. Okay, and to center line is connect to this, and again select this to this. Okay, and this line and this line is a equal. Okay, and this line is a vertical, and press this line and press a control button and select this point, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and extrude cut is a 7 millimeter, and extrude cut is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and flip side to cut. Okay, and 6 millimeter is also, but 7 millimeter is correct, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and okay, okay, this is a better, and this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to metal and chrome, and chrome is apply here this, and one point is also okay, One is a okay, going to this option, document properties, and detailing, and cosmetic thread is apply here, and check this. Okay, cosmetic thread. Okay, and going to this thread. Okay, going to this insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, and apply here this, and this is a 9mm is okay. Cosmetic thread is a blind, and going to please enter number between 0.1 to 6. Okay, 5.5. okay, this is a perfect okay, okay, this is a better and perfect and correct okay. And guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed, and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here. And this is a all is perfect, and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay. And this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is a very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is a 18mm, and draw a circle is 3.6mm, and this gap is a 3mm, and this length full length is 10mm, but half length is diameter is 5mm. Okay, and at first select a plane is right plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is a this is a okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is a use a reference point and some. Okay, this distance between this point to this is a 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is a, okay, this radius is a 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect. And again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and this diameter is a, okay, this diameter is a 2.8. okay, this is a diameter is 2.8. and also use a construction. Okay, this use a, also use a for a use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect and some line is drawing here, or select a line. Line is a this, drawing a this to this is a drawing here, and use a this, and this line is a this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line, because some angle is a defined here. And next point is this is a perfect and some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this, and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is a some use this, and this line is also this, and use a connect to this point is a this. Okay, and some use this line to this line is a, okay, this line is a use a collinear and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is a also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect. Okay, and next is a use this line, okay, and some use a Okay, this line is a use here and connect to this, and this is a some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and connect to this is a perfect. And this distance is a 1.2. this point to this distance is 1.2. is perfect. And next is a use some angle is this line to this is a angle is a 26 degree. Okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle. Okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. this is a 3.6 and 2.6. okay, all is perfect. And next point is a okay, this is a perfect. And use this is a, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a, this radius is a 0.8. this radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. this is a 0.8, and also this is a point sorry, 0.5. Next is a okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point, and this okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a use a angle is this to this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect, and some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6, this center point and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5, this is a 1.6, and distance is a 1.5. This distance is a 1.6. 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And the next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, and next is a some use a this is a use this this point is a select here, and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. Okay, and okay, and this is a perfect, and this point and this line is also use a this is a use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also. Okay, and this point is also tangent. Okay, and next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is a use this point is a 1.5. Okay, all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is correct, and this is a fully defined, and all. Okay, and all dimension is a okay. Okay, and next. Okay, all point is a perfect, and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a one by one is all point is correct. And next is use a revolve boss and select this, select. Okay, okay, and next is a this revolve boss base is a delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay, but this point is a the 12, and use this okay, and this use a 10, and use also 7, and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use a, and use a 10, and use a 7, and this is a perfect, and use a revolve boss, and okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a very nice looking here. And next, this face, select sketch, normal, and click a hexagon, and select this, connect to this center point. okay, and this is a line, is a horizontal line, and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connector, and this dimension is perfect, 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here, and extrude cut is a extrude cut is a this face, select this face, okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut, click okay, this is a perfect, but and some use a this is a 11.11 is better, and this is a 7.5, click OK. And extrude cut is a this is a 8.5. okay, through all is better, and click OK. okay, all is perfect, and okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here, and one is perfect, and this is a this, and click OK. And next, use a thread is user this, okay, and this is use a 8mm, and use a offset is 2mm, flip side, and use a 6, 7, okay, a metric to die and use this is a perfect and select the sketch of convert entities and use a extrude cut and click OK. This is a perfect and correct. And some color is used here and this color is this. And OK. Okay, this length is increase and some use okay, this sketch drawing here normal and this length is some 20 is perfect and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a better. And also this thread is used here and click this thread and this is a 9mm is perfect and 8.5 is better. 8.5 is perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.